Summer bursts forth with a vibrant energy that seems to pulse through the air, inviting us to step outside and embrace the warmth of the sun. It's a season that beckons us to shed our winter layers and engage with the world around us. So, let's talk about outdoor exercise tips to harness that energy and make the most of these long, sun-soaked days. First and foremost, hydration is your best friend. The sun can be relentless, and as you sweat, your body loses precious fluids. Carry a water bottle with you and don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. Sip regularly, especially if you're planning a long run or hike. Infuse your water with slices of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel during your workout. Next, let's consider timing. Early mornings or late evenings are your golden hours. The sun is lower in the sky, and the temperatures are more forgiving. Plus, there's something magical about those early morning runs. The world still waking up around you, the air crisp and cool. If you can't manage those times, seek out shaded areas or parks with plenty of trees. Nature has a way of providing a sanctuary from the heat, and exercising under the canopy of leaves can be incredibly rejuvenating. Variety is key. Summer is the perfect time to mix things up. If you usually run on a treadmill, take it to the trails. If you're a gym rat, try outdoor yoga in the park. Join a local sports league or grab some friends for a game of beach volleyball. The options are endless, and the change of scenery can reignite your passion for fitness. Plus, working out with others adds a layer of fun and accountability that can keep you motivated. Don't forget about sunscreen. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of being outdoors and forget that your skin needs protection. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen before you head out and reapply as needed. Your future self will thank you for taking care of your skin now. Lastly, listen to your body. Summer can be exhilarating, but it can also be exhausting. If you're feeling drained, it's okay to take a step back. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Embrace the slower moments, perhaps with a leisurely walk or a gentle stretch in the shade. So, as summer unfolds, let it inspire you to move, to explore, and to connect with the outdoors. With the right mindset and a few simple tips, you can turn this season into an energetic adventure that leaves you feeling invigorated and alive.